day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is systems of linear equations in two variables. Let us discuss the different kinds of systems of linear equations in two variables using the following examples. So let us graph each pair of linear equations in one coordinate plane. Describe the lines, the slope, and y-intercepts. Our given is y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 5. Para sa ating equation 1, we have y equals 3x plus 1. As you can see, this is already written in slope-intercept form. So, pwede na nating i-graph ang ating equation using the slope and y-intercept. So, ang slope natin para sa first equation ay 3 at ang y-intercept naman is equal to 1. So, let us have our Cartesian plane. So, ang y-intercept natin ay makikita sa y-axis. So, this will be our y-intercept which is equal to 1. Next, para sa second point, gamitin natin ang slope which is equal to 3. It means that our rise is equal to 3 and our run is equal to 1. So let us move from this point 3 steps upward. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 step papunta sa kanan. 1. Since ang slope natin ay positive. So this is our second point. Since meron na tayong 2 points, pwede na natin i-connect using a straight line. So this is our equation, y equals 3x plus 1. Next, para sa equation 2, y equals 3x minus 5. So, ito ay nasa slope-intercept form na rin. Kaya kunin na lang natin ang slope at ang y-intercept. So, ang slope natin is equal to 3 at ang y-intercept is equal to negative 5. So, i-plot natin ang negative 5 sa ating Cartesian plane. So, this is our first point. Next, gamitin ang slope which is equal to 3. So, rise over run, that is equal to 3 over 1. So, from this point, move 3 steps upward. 1, 2, 3, and 1 step going to right. So, 1. So, this is our second point. Connect these 2 points using a straight line. So, this will be our line, and that is for the equation y equals 3x minus 5. So, i-describe natin ang line. The lines are parallel. So, we know that parallel lines do not intersect each other. The slopes are equal. So, ang ating slopes ay parehong equal sa 3. And the y-intercepts are unequal. So, magkaiba ang ating y-intercept. In that case, this is called as inconsistent system. Let us have another example. 6x plus 3y equals 3 and 2x plus y equals 1. So again, the instruction is to graph each pair of linear equations and then we're going to describe the lines, slope, and y-intercepts. So ang ating first equation ay 6x plus 3y equals 3. So as you can see, ito ay nasa standard form pa. So kailangan muna natin siyang gawing slope-intercept form. So, this is equal to 3y. Copy the equal sign. Next is transpose 6x. So, we have here negative 6x plus 3. Since meron pang numerical coefficient sa tabi ng y, we have to divide the whole equation by 3. So, we have here 3y divided by 3. So, the answer is equal to y. Copy the equal sign. Negative 6x divided by 3. So we have here negative 2x. And then 3 divided by 3, this is equal to 1. So our slope-intercept form is y equals negative 2x plus 1. So kunin natin ang slope at y-intercept ng ating first equation. Ang slope is equal to negative 2 at ang y-intercept naman is equal to 1. So we can now plot the points. So we have here y-intercept is equal to 1. So ito ang ating y-intercept. And then, gamitin ang slope para makuha ang ikalawang point. So negative 2 is also equal to negative 2 over 1. So ang rise natin is 2 steps. So move tayo from this point 2 steps upward. So 1, 2, and then 1 step papunta sa kaliwa since ang slope ay negative. So this will be our second point. Since meron ng 2 points, pwede nang i-connect using a straight line. So this is our first equation. 6x plus 3y equals 3. Next, para sa equation 2, 2x plus y equals 1. So gawin muna natin siyang slope-intercept form. And this is equal to y is equal to transpose 2x. So we have here negative 2x plus 1. Kunin ang slope at y-intercept. So ang slope ng ating equation 2 ay negative 2. At ang y-intercept is equal to 1. So using this y-intercept, i-plot natin to sa ating Cartesian plane. So ang ating 1 is also this point. And then, move 2 steps upward. 1, 2, 1 step papunta sa kaliwa. So 1. This is also our second point. As you can see, pareho ang ating slope at ang ating y-intercept. So our line in our equation 2 is also this 1. So our second equation is 2x plus y equals 1. Let us describe the lines. So the lines are coinciding. Kapag sinabi natin coinciding, lahat ng points na dinaanan ng ating first line ay the same points na dadaanan din ng ating second line. Next, describe the slope. So the slopes are equal and the y-intercepts are also equal. So in this case, this kind of systems of linear equations in two variables is called consistent and dependent system. Third example, x minus 2y equals 4 and x plus y equals 1. So ang equation 1 is x minus 2y equals 4. So we have here negative 2y equals x will be transposed. So this will be equal to negative x copy plus 4. So divide the whole equation by negative 2. So negative 2y divided by negative 2. So this will be equal to y. Copy the equal sign. Negative x divided by negative 2. So we have here positive x over 2. And then 4 divided by negative 2, we have here negative 2. So ang ating slope-intercept form is now y equals x over 2 minus 2. Kunin natin ang slope. So our slope is equal to 1/2 at ang ating y-intercept is equal to negative 2. Let us plot in our Cartesian plane. So ang negative 2 ay nasa y-axis. So we have here the y-intercept negative 2. And then use our slope which is equal to 1 over 2. So ibig sabihin, 1 step upward, and then 2 steps papunta sa kanan since the slope is positive. So 1, 2. This is our second point. Since meron ng 2 points, pwede na natin silang i-connect using a straight line. So this is our equation, x minus 2y equals 4. Next, equation 2, x plus y equals 1. So gawin nating slope-intercept form. So this will be y equals transpose x. We have negative x plus 1. Kunin ang slope. The slope is equal to negative 1 at ang y-intercept is equal to 1. So i-plot natin sa ating Cartesian plane. So we have here positive 1 para sa ating y-intercept, and then move 1 step upward and 1 step papunta naman sa left since the slope is negative. So this will be our second point. Connect these points using a straight line. So this will be our line. So this is the equation x plus y equals 1. So i-describe natin ang ating line. The lines are intersecting. As you can see, nag-meet ang ating line dito sa point na ito. At ang intersection o point of intersection nila ay tinatawag nating solution. Next, the slopes are unequal. So magkaiba ang kanilang slope. And y-intercepts are unequal. So magkaiba rin ang kanilang y-intercept. In this case, it is called as consistent and independent system. Let us summarize the kinds of system of linear equation: the geometric interpretation, number of solutions, slopes, and y-intercepts. So ang una ay tinatawag na inconsistent system. The lines are parallel. It has no solution. The slopes are equal. And y-intercepts are unequal. Next ay ang tinatawag na consistent and dependent system. So the lines coincide. It has infinitely many solutions. Since sila ay nag-coincide, lahat ng points na kanilang dadaanan ay ang kanilang solution. Slopes are equal and y-intercepts are also equal. And the last one is called as consistent and independent system. The lines intersect at exactly one point. Since sa isang point lang sila nagmi-meet, we only have here one solution. Their slopes are unequal and the intercepts are equal or unequal. Pwedeng magkapareho at pwedeng magkaiba. So that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!